Dogs, such a lovely and amazing creature it is. Do you think you know everything there is to know about canines? Think again. Don't worry. I'm here to share with you some interesting facts about dogs. So let's begin. There are more than 150 dog breeds divided into 8 classes: sporting, hound, working, terrier, toy, non-sporting, herding, and miscellaneous. Contrary to the popular belief, dogs don't sweat by salivating, they sweat through the pads of their feet. Dogs have a sense of time. They know the difference between an hour and 5. If conditioned to, they can predict future events such as regular wake times. Dogs may not have as many taste buds as we do. They have about 1700 while humans have about 9000. But that does not mean that they are not discriminating eaters. They have over 200 million scent receptors in their noses. But we have only 5 million, so it's important that their food smells good and tastes good. Now I'm going to share you something really interesting, so listen carefully. If a dog is not spayed or nurtured, a female dog, her male, and their offspring can produce 67,000 dogs in just 6 years. It's really amazing, man, isn't it? It was recently discovered that dogs do see in color, just not as vivid as we see. Really? Nearly all but 2 breeds of dogs don't have pink tongues. They are the Chow Chow and the Sherpei. Both have black tongues. The poodle haircut was originally meant to improve the dog's swimming abilities as a retriever, with the pom-poms left in place to warm their joints. Top 5 favorite breeds of dogs in the US are Labrador Retriever, Golden Retriever, German Shepherd, Beagle, and Dachshund. The Basenji is the only barkless dog in the world, and the greyhounds can reach a speed up to 45 miles per hour. It is really amazing. Dogs are capable of locating the source of a sound in 6 by hundredths of a second by using their swiveling ears, like radar dishes. Wow! A study claims that your dog can genuinely get jealous when they see you display your affection for another creature. Oh, don't kiss your girlfriend in front of your dog. The Saluki is the world's oldest dog breed. They appear in ancient Egyptian tombs dating back to 2100 BC. The United States has the highest dog population in the world, and also more than half US presidents have owned dogs. Stray dogs in Russia have learned how to ride the complex subway system and get off at specific stops in search of food. It's real. Wow. Dogs can be trained to detect cancer and other diseases in humans. Cancerous cells release different metabolic waste products than healthy cells in human body. Dogs may even be able to sniff out cancer cells simply through smelling someone's breath. It's amazing. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like it, comment below #doglover. If you like dog training and if you want to make your dog as an expert, check out the link in the description, and I think you would not be disappointed. It's about brain training of dogs. And if you are interested in knowing such facts, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. See you soon.